This I jumper.
Jumper.
Yes. Are this sheep? No.
Very good. Good job.
These are tomato. Yes. These children plowing. Yes.
Very good. Good job.
These are bar of chocolate. Yes. Is this a bread? No. Is this a girl drawing? Yes. Is this a sheep? Yes.
Very good. Good job. Alinor, are you ready? I don't know.
Is this bowl a pizza? No. Is this bowl happy? Yes.
Very good.
Is this a dog? Yes. Is this a